Tuesday, KPVI was on scene as law enforcement searched Chad Daybell's property and found human remains. Yesterday, we watched as Chad made his first court appearance. KPVI News that works for you reporter Cade Garner reports.
On Tuesday, police arrested Chad Daybell, the husband of Lori Vallow Daybell and the stepfather of missing 8-year-old JJ Vallow and 17-year-old Tylee Ryan. The Rexburg Police Department, the Fremont County Sheriff's Office, and the FBI then searched his property in Salem. At 7:30 that evening, officials held a press conference to confirm what had been found.
Investigators discovered what appeared to be unidentified human remains, and an autopsy will be conducted.
No further information was given at that time. Chad Daybell was booked into the Fremont County Jail. Wednesday morning, court documents showed Daybell was officially charged with 2 felony counts of destruction, alteration, or concealment of evidence. Each charge carries a punishment of up to 5 years in prison and/or up to a $10,000 fine. With the charges made, the Rexburg Police Department confirmed that the unidentified human remains belonged to 2 people. At 11 o'clock, Daybell then appeared in court for the first time. Prosecutor Rob Wood asked for bail to be set at $1 million.
These are human remains, and we can, although those remains have not yet been positively identified, we are aware that those remains are the remains of children, which we believe is an aggravating factor.
Documents are sealed to the public, but the prosecutor adds,
and the manner of the concealment of one of those bodies, which the state finds to be particularly egregious.
Due to the charges against Daybell, his attorney John Pryor didn't agree with a bail amount that high.
And quite honestly, for the prosecuting attorney to assume that in the future he may or may not do that, and that we should increase the bail with the idea that in the future there may be something else coming down the pipe is just clearly contrary to what the purpose of bail is.
After hearing both arguments, Judge Farron Eden set the bond at $1 million, adding,
and the allegation is that the evidence was human remains of 2 different people. That's an aggravating factor, and the court has taken that into account.
The judge then set the next court date for July 1st. The remains of the bodies are at the Ada County Coroner's Office for autopsy. There is no official confirmation of their identity. However, the children's grandparents, Larry and Kay Woodcock and Colby and Kelsey Ryan, released a statement saying, quote, "The human remains found by law enforcement on Chad Daybell's property are indeed our beloved JJ and Tylee. We are filled with unfathomable sadness that these 2 bright stars were stolen from us and only hope that they died without pain or suffering." For KPVI News that works for you, I'm Cade Garner.
JJ and Tylee's mother, Lori Daybell, is also in jail with bail set at $1 million. Yesterday, her attorney filed a motion for release to defense counsel.